grady-strategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Thursday, June 19th. Coming up on the economic calendar today, we have a pretty relaxed day, which will give the market some time to digest the major news that came out yesterday. At 7:30 GMT, we have the policy decision by the Swiss National Bank, so we could see some volatility in the Swiss franc. Then at 8:30 GMT in the morning, we have retail sales from the United Kingdom, which could generate some volatility in British equities. Then at 12:30 GMT, we have the weekly employment data from the United States, but after the Fed meeting yesterday, this is not expected to generate all that much volatility. Looking at the markets, the S&P 500 yesterday jumped to a new record high. It was up by 0.8% following the policy decision by the FOMC. During early trading today in the Asian session, Asian stocks also moved higher. This was after the Premier of China continued or pledged to continue to support the economy, and with the objective of economic growth for the Chinese economy reaching 7.5% this year. And going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are up by a further 0.1%, which is an indication that there's a positive outlook for the day today. The rise in equities and the support that we got from the Fed generated some general weakness in the in safe haven assets, and also the dollar, which we could see reflected here in the euro-dollar pair here, with general strength in the euro. Compounded with a general weakness in the dollar, pushed this currency pair a little bit higher. We're within a new range here. We have support at 136 and resistance at 136.60 for today. Similar situation we have the pound, with the pound moving higher. This is also the highest the pound has been versus the dollar since 2009. It had it bounced off of support which we had yesterday, and before moving higher above the 170, which is an important psychological level. We don't have any resistance until 170.80 for this pair, and support at the moment at 170. The yen also, this currency pair moved on the downside. It's just above a relatively weak support level here at 101.75. If it were to break through that, we don't have support until 101.25, or it could return to 102.25, which is our current resistance level. And then we have gold here, which moved a little bit higher in price. This was more a reflection of general weakness in the dollar than increased demand for gold. We still have support at 1,265, resistance 1,280. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.